Hey guys, it's Eric again. Another little part to this how-to. The clutch. It's a centrifugal 2-speed clutch. Got 2-speed gears on here. This is not the original clutch. The original one that I had cracked right where the the clutch housing meets the gears. So I had to replace that. That was a pretty cheap part. I think I spent about 15-20 bucks on the two parts. Does not come with the bearings. There's two bearings in here. I had to buy each of these two gears separately, and then the clutch bell. The clutch pads are still original. The spring is the original one, and the flywheel is the original. If you look really carefully, it's hard to see, but there's a little notch in each of these pins. Unfortunately, they've worn really far down. I don't know how long it'll last before I have to replace the flywheel, but the pads, if you can see, they're quite oval. It needs to be replaced eventually, but they haven't worn out on me. Neither has the little washer. This assembly is pretty easy to put back together. If you look really carefully, one side of the clutch has a slightly chamfered edge. That edge sticks out into the clutch bell. Then it slides onto the two pins. I can't do it with one hand, sorry. Then you have the bell that goes on. You have the washer that goes on the shaft. Then you have the housing, and then you have the screw. Screw should have Loctite on it. Mine doesn't anymore because I keep taking this thing off. Chances are the next part I'll get to is either the head or the carburetor. I'm really taking this carb apart, but I do have the the rotating carb from the other one. This one's a slide carb because this slides out, and the other one's a rotating carb because this piece would turn instead. I have all the holes blocked off just so nothing gets in. I took off the pull start before to take a look at it and clean the cord, retension it, and all is well. I like the pull start on this thing because it almost never fails. The other one, any oil gets on it, it fails. I'll try and show you the pull start on that one since you guys have seen the pull start on this one. If not, you can check out my videos from before and you'll be able to see how it works. Have a great one, guys, and ask questions.